In this video I will tell you how to fix we are having trouble to play this live video in Instagram. So please watch the full video and also subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. First of all, if you are having this problem, check your internet connection and also go to Google Chrome and search for internet speed check. After that, go to the settings of your mobile phone and here scroll down and you can see app management options. So tap on this. After that, tap on app list and then search for Instagram, and now open the Instagram option. After that, tap on storage usage option and here clear the cache as well as clear the data of Instagram. But keep remember, clearing the data will delete all your existing progress in Instagram, so be aware of this. After that, go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPad, and then tap on search option. After that, tap on search bar and here search for Instagram 2, and then here update the Instagram to the latest version. So this will fix the issue for you.